Hey everyone, Corey from CJ's here. Today we have the Bronco back for another video. Today we're going to be installing an interior grab handle to our center console. So if you have a base model Bronco, you're probably looking at these handles and questioning why aren't they in yours? Well, on the higher end model Broncos, these actually come as a factory option, but you can still install them into your base model. So if you want to add another grab point for your passengers while you're off-roading, these are a great option. Or if you're just looking to spice up the interior a bit, this is also another option for that as well. These come in multiple different colors, and you can find this product at cjponyparts.com. So before jumping into this install, I just want to point out, even if you don't have a lot of experience working on cars, this is a very simple install. It's only going to be these two bolts here. Probably the hardest part is actually finding a Torx bit to remove the bolts. You can end up finding Torx bit sets at your local parts stores, and they're usually pretty inexpensive. All right, let's get these bolts removed here. Now we'll take our new handle here and install it. And then we're going to reuse the factory hardware. So there you have it, a nice easy install for you today. Good way to spice up the interior on your Bronco, but also a good way to add in a nice grab point if you're ever doing any off-roading. It's time to drop a gear and disappear. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out cjponyparts.com for any of your Bronco part needs.